Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we take a closer look at the Best in Photo travel gear bag. Before we dive into it, I want to assure you that this review is entirely our opinion and we're not paid by Best in Photo for this. They reached out to us after we showcased their gear bag in one of our previous videos. So let's get right into it. Let's start by exploring the impressive features of this gear bag. Inside the main compartment, you'll see two adjustable Velcro dividers, allowing you to customize the interior fit of your camera and lenses or small drone and accessories perfectly. On the three sides of the bag, there are pockets to keep smaller essentials neatly organized. The top zip compartment has many divisions, ideal for stashing batteries and other accessories securely. Now let's talk about the external features that add to this bag's practicality. There's a small zip side pocket, easy for keeping your keys, cash, and cards within easy reach. On the other side, there's a large magnetic pocket, great for storing items like mobile phone, passport, tickets. The honeycomb detachable shoulder strap support ensures added comfort during those long photography sessions. Additionally, there's a bottom multifunctional strap, offers convenience for attaching a small tripod or monopod. Let's take a moment to showcase how this bag accommodates essential gear. As you can see, it easily fits camera, small drone, and portable microphone, with room to spare for other accessories. The adjustable dividers ensure staying snug and protected, making it a perfect companion for on-the-go creatives. Now let's talk about who would benefit most of this gear bag. If you're a photographer or drone enthusiast who loves versatility and convenience, this bag is tailor-made for you. Its compact size and smart organization features make it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to keep their gear safe and easily accessible. Now let's dive into the pros and cons into the Best in Photo travel gear bag. On the positive side, it's small, compact, and incredibly convenient, making it perfect for photographers and drone enthusiasts in the mood. However, one minor drawback we noticed is the bottom strap is a bit tricky to detach when opening the bag just using the CNC attachment. Interested in getting your hands on this fantastic gear bag? Check out the link in the description below to purchase your very own Best in Photo travel gear bag. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts and questions or suggestions regarding this bag, and leave them in the comment section, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Before we go, here's a little inspiring quote to fuel your creativity. The world is full of captivating moments. A great gear bag helps you capture them all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share it with your fellow photographer and drone enthusiast friends. Till next time, keep on creating and capturing those unforgettable moments. Peace.